The historical city Yazd, because of its precious historical architecture and unchanged traditional design, was registered in the Index of World Heritage of UNESCO in 2017. First Depository Bank was established in this city 1700 years ago. Today, this city is one of the medical hub of Iran.